In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file your taxes on TurboTax if you're self-employed. Whether you freelance, consult, or run a small side business, TurboTax makes it straightforward once you know where to go. Before we begin, it helps to have your income records handy. Things like 1099 NE or 1099-K forms, bank deposits, and a list of your business expenses for the year. After signing in to TurboTax Online and opening your return, look toward the main navigation at the top of the screen. You'll see several tabs that organize your return. We're going to use the income area to get to the right place for self-employed entries. First, hover your mouse over income. This opens a drop-down that groups everything related to money you earned this year. Next, click on Wages and Income Summary. This page is your hub for all income types: job wages, interest, investments, and importantly, self-employment. Think of it as a checklist where you can jump directly into the sections that apply to you. On the self-employment income and expenses tile, click Start. That launches the self-employed workflow designed for sole proprietors and single-member LLCs. TurboTax will walk you through entering your business details, then your income and deductions, and it will automatically build your Schedule C and self-employment tax calculations in the background. When you report income here, include everything you earned from clients and platforms, amounts shown on 1099 forms, app or marketplace payouts, and any cash or checks not reported on a form. Keep an eye out for duplicate totals if a payment processor issued a 1099-K and a client also issued a 1099-NEC for the same work. For expenses, you'll be able to categorize what you spent to run your business: supplies, software, advertising, professional fees, a portion of your phone or internet used for work, and more. Good records make this easier. If a category isn't obvious, the on-screen help explains what belongs where, so you can capture every legitimate deduction. You'll also see questions about your business profile, whether you keep books on a cash or accrual basis, possible home office and vehicle use, and any estimated taxes you paid. Answering accurately helps TurboTax optimize your deductions and credits. Once you've completed this section, review the summary for accuracy, save your progress, and you're set to continue through the rest of your return with confidence.